Kelly. Today's workout is called Balance and Mobility. In this workout, you will activate your core muscles as well as strengthening the entire body. This workout is short, simple, but yet effective for improving your overall functional movement of daily living. Think exercising together, simple successfulness. In this class, we'll begin with a warm-up that will break down 6 different exercises. Then we will put these same movements to music. Build confidence in these simple movements. Have fun, enjoy improving your balance and mobility. Let's begin. We're going to start off with that nice beneficial walk, swinging the arms in opposition, breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, focusing on that good posture stance. Shoulders are back, down, and relaxed. Warming up that entire body. As we perform the warm-up, we will walk, then do a balance exercise, walking again, and so on. Once we complete all the 6 exercises, follow my instructions, and we will perform those movements to music. Let's begin with the first exercise. We're going to slow that walk down. A single leg stance, standing on one foot, either bringing the knee up high or touching down with the toe. Focusing on your balance, that good soft knee on that standing leg. Shoulders are back, down, and relaxed. Let's begin on that other side. Bringing that knee up, again, touching down with the toe. Do what feels best, holding on to a chair, having that chair handy for added security and stability. Excellent job. So the first exercise was a single leg stance. Next up is a balance beam stance. Let's slow that walk down. We're going to bring that right foot in front of the left foot. Holding that stance, again, holding on to a chair for some stability. Let's bring that other foot in front. Seeing the difference between the 2 sides, the right side and the left side. And shaking with these movements is a good thing. You're activating those core muscles, always keeping those core muscles activated. Excellent job. So the second exercise was that balance beam stance. Now we're going to go on a balance beam walk. So let's begin. We're going to bring that right foot in front of the left, then the left in front, and so on. Then we're going to go back. So we're going to go forward and back. Excellent job. One more time, forward and back. Very good. Let's walk. Exercise 4 is a lunge back. Then we're going to bring the knee up in front. So let's do that. We're going to lunge back, having that knee bent in front, straight leg back, slight bend in the knee, and bring that knee up and come back down. We'll do 2 more. And one more. Very good. Let's go to the left side. Excellent. Let's walk. As we bring the movement together with music, we will flow through the movements on the right side first, and then we will flow through the movements on the left. So it's one continuous flow, strengthening the right side, then strengthening that left side. All right, let's move on to 5. That exercise is a lunge back. We're going to keep that stationary lunge, and we're going to bring that big sunshine arm up and around, focusing on opening up the chest, relaxing the shoulder, having that nice bent knee in line with the ankle in front. Excellent. Let's go on the other side. Step back into that lunge. You're going to reach up and stretch. Just opening. Feeling that good positive energy. Very good. Let's walk. Excellent. Again, making sure that that chair is handy if you need it. You may also use a counter. Any type of surface that is stationary, that is connected, that is secure, so you can hold on to it and enjoy your workout. All right, the 6th and final exercise is you're going to have your legs apart, a little bit further apart than your shoulders. You're going to squat down, keeping those knees in line with the ankle, and then bring those arms up and stretch and reach. Slowly coming back down. Again, flat back and up. 2 more times, down and up. Once more, down and up. Excellent job. Very good. Are you all warmed up? Ready? Having that beautiful smile on your face? Again, remember, these exercises can be performed in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Focusing on that right side first, then the left. And the next time around, focus on that left side. And then do the right side. Feel those different challenges, those weaknesses, and the strength gains for that balance and mobility happiness. Let's set this music to start and begin the workout. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me today for balance and mobility. Have a beautiful, youthful day.